This is a GMC dump truck. I believe it's just a regular 4-speed transmission in it. I'll look in a minute. We'll try to get her cranked. We'll have hot batteries in them when you come to buy them, and we're just checking them out for the first time. The word drove in here from around the corner at the neighbors. That's where they've been stored. So let's see what we come up with here. Okay, you saw the dump go up, and I believe he said it had power steering too, but it's got a regular transmission in it, not the 2-speed. Good looking bed on there too. All right, wraps that up.